Today, sabotage. Well, hello there, ladies and gentlemen. I am the evil scientist, and I am here to sabotage DanTheLawnman's lawn. For I want to capture, the perfect specimen of a robot, so that I can create my own army of robots. But in order to do that, I must keep DanTheLawnman busy. Yes, I must keep him mowing so that he does not have a chance to come to me and capture me. So today, I'm going to let you in into a little secret. Yes, my top secret formula to make your lawn green and grow. Follow me if you want to learn more. I see that you also want to sabotage the lawn. Yeah. I am here to give you the perfect example. Now, with this right equipment and the right ingredients, you also will have a lush, green, growing lawn so that you can mow constantly or sabotage somebody else. Yes, if somebody else has a robot just like DanTheLawnman, you could use this example to go and sabotage the lawn so that they could have to mow constantly, and you could take out your evil scheme. Yes? Are you following me? Shaita. Okay. The first thing that you're gonna need is a measuring cup. And you need a measuring cup, any type of cup would work. We just want to get the right amount of ounces, even though we could just put as much as this product down to sabotage even more. Yes? Okay. The next thing that you're gonna need is a sprayer. Now make sure that you get a nice quality sprayer. If you could only use the pump one, you'd be pumping all day. Get just a battery one. Now the products that we're gonna put down today are a little bit thick. And the reason that they're thick is because there's so much micronutrients and things going down into the soil that's gonna make your grass grow. Are you following me? Yes. That is why I got myself a T-Jet. Yes. The regular jet can work as well, but you have to spray both these applications separately because one is thicker than the other and it just won't flow through correctly. Are you following me? Yes? Okay. The T-Jet will make your job a lot easier, a lot smoother, a lot quicker so that your enemy doesn't catch you doing this to your lawn or to their lawn, whatever. So now that we got both those products, now it's time for me to give you the secret ingredients. We are going to use Microgreen 002. Microgreen gives you all the micronutrients that you need for your lawn. This is gonna work very well in our sabotage lawn plan. And also, last but not least, we are going to use spoon juice. This is my double dark growth top secret formula. Are you following me now? Yes? Good. Let's start with the process. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to measure your lawn. You don't know how much your lawn is. Now I've seen all of DanTheLawnman's videos and I know that his lawn is 2,000 square feet in the back and 2,000 square feet in the front. He gave me all the free information so that I don't have to do the research. So now that I know he has 2,000 square feet, this is a 2-gallon sprayer. So I am going to go ahead and fill this up to 1 gallon, mix my ingredients, fill it up to the other gallon, and sabotage. Now we have water in our sprayer. Are you following me, Stu? Yes? Let's go. Measuring cup. Microgreen. Microgreen has all of these nutrients that I am going to post on the screen. Yes, you get all of that in just this 1 gallon, plus a 2 potash. Yes, let's go. So, we need to apply this at a 1,000 square foot lawn, 4 ounces, a minimum rate. But we're applying this in a 2,000 square foot lawn, so we're gonna apply this at 8 ounces. Yes, let's do this. Oh yes, 8 ounces go. Yes, oh yes. I can already see Dan the lawnman is gonna be mowing more often. And I could go ahead and get, oh, that specimen of a robot. Okay, now we're gonna add our spoon juice. All these products are in the description. Make sure you look down below and check them out. Yes? Are you following me? Good. Yes. And our spoon juice here is at 3 ounces per 1,000. So that means we need 6. Do you understand? 3,000 for 1,000 for square. 6 because we have 2,000 square feet. Okay. Oh, perfect. Okay. Add this in there. Oh, I'm so excited. I can already taste my victory. Now that we have this in our gallon, we need to mix this with the rest of the 1 gallon water. Agitate it so it can all get mixed in there nice and perfect. And then we could spray it into Dan the Lawnman's lawn and sabotage him. Follow me. Well, all right then. You have stuck with me throughout the video. Now there's only one more step to take so we could sabotage Dan the Lawnman's lawn. We're gonna spray all of this 2,000 square feet section with my sabotage plan. Come, be evil with me. Are you still there? Yes? Oh, okay. Thank you for sticking with me to the entire video. We sprayed everything. This is victory. Now, we're just going to go ahead and water it in. So all of this can keep growing. You can have a lawn just like that. Dark, green, plenty of growth. What? What is that sound? Uh-oh. I must get out of here. Dan the Lawnman is coming. Hup. Uh-oh. I must go. Remember to sabotage your lawn. All the products links are in the description. Everything I told you is true. You would get your grass green and you will make it grow. Just like how I did to Dan the Lawnman. But now, my plan is finished, and I must go. Oi!